Cooking can be an enjoyable part of your day with this Kensington electric ceramic range cooker from Belling. With 3 available ovens, including 2 fanned ovens, a conventional oven and grill, there's plenty of space and flexibility to cook different meals at the same time. Perfect for busy families, preparing dinner is easier than ever. The 5 ceramic zones and warming zone provide you with various size spaces for you to place your pots and pans. Cook the family dinner with ease and ensure it arrives to the table at the perfect temperature. The storage compartment allows you to store trays, pots and pans for easy access. It's also a great way to stop your kitchen cupboards getting cluttered. Brighten up your kitchen with this red Belling Kensington electric ceramic range cooker. Its vivid design makes this the ideal cooking appliance for any colourful kitchen.